Hello everybody! In this video, I would like to show you how fast and easy it is to edit your images using a few good presets and the Preset Adjust plugin. So, simply select a preset from a preset pack that fits the theme of your image best, and then open the Preset Adjust plugin. On a Mac, you can do that with the shortcut Ctrl-P. In Windows, you have to go to the menu. With the Master Control, you can increase or decrease all of the preset settings at the same time. With the additional controls, you can decrease or increase all the preset's brightness contrast settings at the same time, or all tints, all changes in saturation, or all settings for vignettes. You don't see any changes for the vignetting in this image because this preset does not contain a creative vignette. Of course, parameters set to neutral will not be influenced by the plugin. The settings for the white balance should only be altered if they are part of the creative look. Usually, I recommend to save them to neutralize the image and not for a creative look. That's why this control is deactivated by default. Please note that when you move the plugin control to the right, the preset will be amplified. This will result in negative Lightroom values becoming more negative and positive values more positive. One could also assume incorrectly that a positive setting of the plugin controls will cause all saturation controls to move to the right. This, of course, is not the case since neutral values can't be amplified. If you feel that your image could generally use more of the preset's color look, but the image then feels too contrasty, you can adjust the contrast in the preset first and then lock it by deactivating the checkbox. After that, you simply turn up the master control without affecting the contrasts. In the same way, you can also set and/or lock other properties of your preset. Controls that are set separately but not locked will still move along when you move the master control, but they will maintain the previously set difference. If you're happy with your changes, you can confirm them by clicking OK in the plugin. Canceling will return all Lightroom parameters to the values they had before the plugin was opened. Have fun editing your images.